So, you want to learn to code? Huh. You're probably staring at a mountain of languages. Python, Java, C hash, maybe even some weird ancient text like Brainfesterisk. But here as a secret, the coding wizards do tell you right away. It doesn't matter which one you pick first. The real magic isn't in the language, it's in the fundamental spells you learn. And trust me, you want to learn these in the right order, or you risk summoning a bug demon that will haunt your projects forever. Ready to become a code sorcerer? Let's start with your first 5 essential spells. First up, spell number 1, variables. Think of these as little magical boxes where you can store stuff. Imagine you have a favorite snack. You put it in a container, label it My Precious, and now you know exactly where to find it. Variables are just like that, but instead of snacks, you're storing numbers, words, or other important pieces of data. And no, you probably can't store your soul in a variable. But hey, who knows what future updates will bring? Next, we have the second spell, if statements. This is your code's very own decision-making power. It's the moment your program pauses and says, should I do this or should I do that? It's like when you're staring at a pizza and thinking, do I really need that second slice? Your code asks similar questions all the time. If the user is logged in, show them their profile. If not, ask them to sign up. If statements are the crossroads of your code, guiding it down the right path. Now for spell number 3, arrays. Remember those little boxes, the variables. An array is like a whole shelf of those boxes, all lined up in a neat row. It's like a candy shelf at a store, but instead of just one candy bar, you can have hundreds or even thousands, all organized and easy to access. You can grab the first one, the 10th one, or the last one, all without getting cavities. Arrays are super powerful for handling lists of things, like a list of friends, or a roster of your favorite video game characters. Feeling the power yet? Let's move on to spell number 4, loops. Loops are your secret weapon for automation. They make your code repeat a task over and over again, so you don't have to. Imagine telling your code, clean your room, once, and it just keeps cleaning until the room is spotless. That's a loop. It's perfect for things like processing every item in an array or counting from 1 to 1,000,000. Loops are the workhorses of programming, saving you from a ton of boring, repetitive typing. They are the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it tool. Finally, the 5th and perhaps most glorious spell, functions are the Swiss Army knives of your coding toolkit. You package a set of instructions into a neat little spell, give it a name, and then you can call upon that spell whenever you need it, as many times as you want. Write it once, use it 1,000,000 times. Every time you use a function you wrote, you feel like an absolute genius. It keeps your code clean, organized, and incredibly efficient. But hold on. To cast these 5 powerful spells correctly, you need a few tiny sidekick skills. First, you need to understand data types. This just means knowing what kind of stuff you're putting in your variable boxes. Is it a whole number, like 42? Is it a word, like hello? Or is it something else? Knowing your data types is crucial. You'll also need Boolean logic. This sounds fancy, but it's just the concept of true or false. Is the user over 18? True. Is it raining outside? False. This is the simple yes or no logic that powers all those if statements we talked about. And finally, you'll need operators. These are the little symbols like plus, minus, greater than, and less than. They're how your code performs actions and makes comparisons. It's your code's way of saying more, less, bigger, smaller, ... I'm in charge here. Once you master these 5 core spells and their little sidekick skills, you'll have the foundation you need to tackle anything. You'll be ready to learn the big, fancy spells, the ones that build apps, create games, and power the websites you use every day. You'll be the one making your friends gasp and your bugs cry in terror. So don't get stuck on which language to choose. Pick one, any one, and start learning these fundamentals. This is your true entry into the world of coding. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding magic. Happy coding!